So let's talk a little bit about how this TDE architecture works, or under the hood, Derek. What's going on when we say we're going to turn on transparent data encryption?
That's a good thing to touch base into. And, Microsoft actually has a great support article on this, and we can link out to it and actually show the data architecture image that they have. But at the very top, you have the Windows operating system level data protection API. And that's going to encrypt your service master key that SQL Server creates. It's called a SQL Server instance level master key that gets created at SQL Server setup, and then you from then on create master database level master key and back that up, and then that's what actually protects your certificates and your database encryption keys. And those are the things that you actually need to keep. You can kind of replace the stuff above, but you need to have that certificate that you've created and then the password that you use to back the certificate up. Because if you don't have that, you can't get that database restored. And it's that certificate that protects the database encryption key, which allows you to access the database. So kind of going from the database level back up, you've got the database is encrypted. The database encryption key is what allows you to access that. A certificate encrypts that key. So that's what allows you to access the key. The database master key encrypts the certificate. The SQL Server instance key encrypts the master key, and then you're back up to the operating level data protection API. So that sounds really complex, but we'll dig into it here. It's not as hard as it sounds to set up.
Thanks for watching. I'm Steve, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like it, please click the thumbs up icon. And if you want to subscribe, click subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified when we have new videos. All right, have a great day.